Good morning and welcome to WFMS. We're getting the news out to you, Franklin Middle School staff and students. Who has it better than us? That's right, nobody. Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday. It is August 21st, and as it is the 21st, that makes it an odd day. Why is it an odd day? Because 21 ends with an odd number. So it's Wednesday, August 21st, an odd day. And on Wednesdays, we also get out at 1:30. So your schedule will still go in the same order, but it will be a little bit changed when you do lunch. So we want you to take a look at your Wednesday schedule. All right. Yesterday went very, very well coming through the metal detectors. Okay. We want to remind students of these expectations as we come through our morning metal detectors. So there you'll come in the building, you'll wind through the traffic, you'll get a basket from Mrs. Crum, and you're going to put your Chromebook, your binder, your charging cord, don't have that yet, don't have the Chromebook yet, your cell phone, your keys, and then some common metal things that set off the metal detectors are water bottles, umbrellas, and metal glasses cases. Okay. If you have anything else that's metal, we put it into the basket. All right. Our security staff will take a look at the binders, pencil pouches, check them out, and you'll walk through the metal detectors. Easy peasy. All right. So yesterday went well. We'll keep working on that. Thanks students and staff for keeping our building and hallways safe. All right, there are those school supplies. Just a reminder, we're going to be getting those Chromebooks out to everybody next week, but we need to make sure we're bringing pencils and pens, things to write with, folders and notebook, things to write on and stay organized, a calculator, our backpack, and if we're bringing a water bottle, we need to make sure it's one with a cap or a lid, no glass, and we do not want those metal water bottles, okay? So we got that 3-inch binder and we've got those school supplies, and we know this first week we're getting them. If you're needing help with anything, come down and see us. All right, for school expectations. All right, we're coming in the morning. All right, and we're going after the metal detectors, we're going to breakfast, and we're going to our locker to get our materials for the day. We're going straight to our advisory period. We're refraining from spraying anything, perfume, cologne, etc. We do not have our technology out. It's in our pockets or backpacks, and then it immediately goes into our lockers. All right, speaking of phones, after you get your phone and electronics from the basket, they need to be put in your pocket or backpack. Phones and electronics are not allowed to be out at breakfast. Phones and electronics are then to be put into your locker. All right. We're putting our phones in our lockers. Phones and Bluetooth earbuds are not allowed. We're not going to stash them in a pencil pocket or a Chromebook bag. You'll talk more about this when we give out those Chromebooks. All right, Franklin Middle School, and we've got our cell phone policy. It's worked well for over 10 years. So thank you for your help and assistance with that. We see this as our supervision for this week. Thank you again to our teachers for keeping our building and hallways safe. All right, we started this yesterday, so this makes it day 2 in a row. If you are ever seeing something that doesn't look right, something that doesn't sound right, doesn't feel right, we want you to let an adult know. The adults are here to help you. Right. So again, if something doesn't look right, sound right, or feel right, we want you to let your teacher know, security know, come down to the main office, talk with Ms. Sevner, Mrs. Empson, secretary, and let us know, and we can talk with you and how you can work through that. I mentioned this yesterday. We've had such wonderful weather. This is a slide that has all the things that are okay. And at today's discipline handbook talks, 6th hour for 8th graders today, we're going to go over the yeses and we're going to go over the no-nos. Okay. So this is just an example of some of the no, not okay things for dress code. We'll be going over the discipline handbooks today and spending some time on dress code. Hy-Vee is our good neighbor. We want to make sure we continue to be good neighbors with them. They've got a couple of rules. Students, you're not allowed in Hy-Vee grocery store unless you're with a parent or guardian. And if you are going into Caribou or Hy-Vee, gas station that is, only a couple students at a time, and we're leaving our bags outside. So let's make sure we're good citizens while we're shopping and being customers at Hy-Vee. Cross-country information, we don't have any tryouts tonight, but there's another tryout Thursday, the 22nd from 2:30 to 4. All right. It looks like Thursday, I'm sorry, is going to be the tryouts and then mandatory parent meeting. And then Friday is going to be another second option for that parent meeting. If you have any questions, you can contact Coach Bolin with that. All right. There's that information about sixth grade girls basketball. All right. Those tryouts will be Thursday, August 22nd. That's tomorrow from 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock. And then Friday, August 23rd from 2:34 if needed. All games are at Saturday at Grant this year. For tryouts, please bring a water bottle and wear tennis shoes. Girls who make the teams must have an updated physical and athletic card. And we do have an athletic fee of $15. Please see Mrs. Sevner for more information. All right, so here we are. We've got baseball after school today versus Christ the King. Friday, we've got cross country. And Saturday, more baseball with St. Agnes versus St. Agnes. Okay, upcoming important dates. The big one here is we'll be distributing technology next week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday if necessary. What's for lunch? Well, today we have hot dog on a bun, ground beef torta, steamed broccoli. Looks good. You come down, you grab that tray, you walk through our lunch line, and you get a nice lunch. Make sure you're picking up a milk. And anything you're not eating, it's okay to put that on the share table. Okay, so it's been going very smooth in the lunchroom. Students, you've been doing a good job eating and cleaning up after yourselves and then heading out to lunch recess. Good job. On to our welcoming ritual. What are two things it is never okay to be here at Franklin? Okay, out of bounds behavior. Number two, what is the safe seat for? And three, are you in trouble if you have to move to the safe seat? All right, you think you know the answers? We'll come up with those next. So what are the two things it's never okay to be? It's never okay to be hurtful or disruptive. When we're hurtful, that hurts people's feelings. And when we're disruptive, that can lead to being outside of class. What's that safe seat for? It's an opportunity to stop the out of bounds behavior and stay in the classroom. And here's a biggie. Are you in trouble if you have to move to the safe seat? The answer, no, because you're still in class. So let's think about that, work through that, and you'll be hearing this not just today, but several times throughout the school year. Another beautiful day. All right, looks like we're at 75. Going to warm up a little bit tomorrow. Gorgeous day to be outside. What a great first week weather-wise. On to our birthdays. Happy birthday, Joseph. Happy birthday, Myra. And as we prepare for a productive day, let us observe a moment of silence. Now let us rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, are we ready for another successful day? Are we coming in with a wonderful, awesome attitude? Are we in dress code? We're going to learn more about that today and this week, 6th hour of those discipline handbook. Are we coming prepared? And you might start to get some assignments. Some of you I know already have. Are we handing them in? Are we clicking submit? If we do that today and every day, that can help us be college and career ready. All right, Franklin Middle School staff and students, we want everybody to have a great day. And remember, it's all about choices. Read, write, respond, relate. It's our focus.